Here's a solution for day 4, problem 1. A person is 6 feet tall and has a 6-foot shadow. At the same time, a nearby tree has a 50-foot shadow. Question A, sketch a diagram. So we need level ground, and then a person, and nearby a tree. If the sun is up here in the sky, then the sunbeams will come at this angle and cast a shadow on the ground right here to this side of the person. And the same for the tree. A parallel sunbeam will come at this angle and cast a shadow on the ground to the left of the tree. This is a right triangle shape, and at the tree there is also a right triangle shape. Okay, the person is 6 feet tall and the person's shadow is 6 feet long. So notice the 6 to 6 comparison here. For the tree, its shadow is 50 feet long, and we don't know how tall the tree is, and that's what we're asked to find. We can call that x for now. In question B, we can create a proportion by comparing the corresponding parts of these similar triangles. So the height of the person can be compared to the shadow of the person, and the height of the tree can be compared to the shadow of the tree. There is the proportion, which was part of what we were asked to figure out. And now to solve this for x, one way is to do some math on it, but probably faster is just to observe the relationship. Numerator is the same as the denominator, and so if that's equal to this over here, then its numerator must be the same as its denominator. That tree is 50 feet tall. Now day 4, problem 2, question A, 4 times negative 20 is negative 80. Question B, negative 24 divided by negative 8 is 3. Question C, we want to subtract these fractions, but they have to have the same denominator. So if that is 7 and that is 3, the least common denominator is 21. So we want to change both fractions so that they have 21 as their denominators. To change this into 21 requires multiplying by 3, and so in top, 5 times 3 is 15. To change that to 21 requires multiplying by 7, so in the top, 2 times 7 is 14. And now we can subtract these fractions. That's 1 over 21. Question D, 4/10 divided into 8 pieces. How large are those pieces? So one way to do this is to go 4/10 and then multiply by the reciprocal of 8, which is 1/8. Dividing 4/10 into 8 pieces could be thought of as finding an eighth of 4/10. This is 4 over 80, and then this can be simplified into 1 over 20. So if you start with 4/10 of something and you want to divide it into 8 pieces and you wonder how large those pieces are, each piece is a 20th of the original object.